there go the kitties. There's one of them. There they go. There's the three of them. All right. Back up. Stay in your prison. Anyway. There it is. I'm just gonna speak off screen. I'm not off screen entirely. I was doing Duolingo, and I knew this already, but I just wanted to make a video to highlight it out, that not all platforms, not all versions of the platform are created equal. That is to say that the version you get on Duolingo on mobile is different from tablet, is different from desktop. We've known this, I've made various videos to make a point of this, but specifically the tips, okay, the way you are taught is wildly different. I personally like using the desktop for the tips, because if I'm on desktop already, I can very easily go and, open a new tab in a browser to look up more information as I need it, right? Understandably, however, if you're doing it on mobile, you're not gonna then be going back and forth between the mobile app and 5 different browser tabs looking up information. So one understands that, okay, probably the desktop is not as extensive, not as straight to the point, not as comprehensive as the mobile version is. So in short terms, the tips that you get on the mobile device are better. They're different and they're better. Because you have to be taught more in a more direct fashion. So you get not only explanations of
caffè, cena,
maybe key
cibo,
phrases or whatever, but you also get
cioccolato,
additional skills that you're learning. So you might get some verbs in addition to the phrases, or in addition to the articles you're going over, or the genders of the language. So I was doing it primarily with Italian because that's just going to be my fallback language for the next couple weeks while I try and stay in the Duolingo Diamond League tournament, whatever. But yeah. Okay, so when we go to tips, let's just say for food, right? You don't have any of the fun animations, right? You have all these paragraphs you have to parse through. Let's go back to some of the basic ones. So we just have the basic pronouns and the articles, none of the conjugation, okay? No fancy charts or tables. Text you have to read and parse yourself, which is fine. It's just different, right? Desktop really said, here are not the pronouns, the subjects. Here are the gender rules. Here are the plural rules. Mobile really said, don't you want to learn also how to conjugate verbs? So I'm just saying. And then, let me know what you think. Because I have my computer occupied, I wanted to do Duolingo work. I was reading the tips on the mobile, but I did have a tab open on desktop. It was Google Translate, just to check the genders of some words, right? So, but anyway, yeah. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.